In the New York laboratory, scientists have raised the temperature in a machine of about 4 trillion Celsius, which is 250,000 times hotter than the center of sun. How is this possible and how they raise the temperature of 4 trillion Celsius? Let we discuss. When you heat things, you can expect a millions of facts. Heat water and it turns to steam. Heat ice and it melts. These processes occurred at different temperatures for different materials. Solid become liquid and then gas when heated. But at super high temperatures, a different type of liquid is formed because only solid, gas and liquid are not only the states of matter. If you heat gas or steam, for example, at very high temperatures, unfamiliar things happens. When water heated at so high temperature, the two molecules of H and one molecule of oxygen become unfamiliar. And if you heat more than atom holding electron, then electron become free. Then a state is formed which is called plasma. About 10,000 degrees Celsius temperature is required to attain this state, or twice as hot as the surface of sun. How this temperature attained? This is attained through a large particle accelerator called relativistic heavy ion collider, RHIC. Using this technique, scientists are able to generate about 4 trillion Celsius temperature for about 250,000 times hotter than the center of sun. At this time, not only the nuclei breaks, but also protons and neutrons start to melt and they intermix freely. And when these protons and neutrons are intermixed, the state is formed which is called quark-gluon plasma, which is consist of protons and neutrons, which is not found in nature. This temperature is 10 times more than the center of supernova. Remember, supernova is the thing formed after the explosion of so energetic star, which is billions of light years away from us. RHIC, relativistic heavy ion collider, can make teeny versions of Big Bang. In 2005, scientists did experiment on relativistic heavy ion collider RHIC accelerator and make this quark-gluon plasma and said that this is not a super gas but a super liquid without viscosity. RHIC accelerator machine is not only the collider in this world but the Large Hadron Collider LHC located at the CERN laboratory in Europe have the similar capability and even higher than RHIC. LHC Large Hadron Collider has been operating since 2011 as it can generate double temperature than RHIC collider. Hope you understand this concept, and if you understood, then please like, share and subscribe. Use Gain to Great and follow us on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook as well.